something we deeply wish in our life for will happen one day.
It's very hard. You know me? Edson. Welcome to Brazil. I'm right here in Brazil. Please, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe. Let me take you to where I can say dream come true here in Brazil. Can you build where you are? If you are in Africa, you can still build in America. I want to show you that it's possible to build in America.
L'histoire c'est trop faible. Si je mets ça en haut, ça brûle. Ça lui perce une fois, ça brûle, ça fond. Ouais, je mets ça, il diminue que ça
saute bien.
Guys, this special breakfast was actually made by a Brazilian woman.
This is a dream come true. From Cameroon to South Africa, from South Africa to Brazil, you can always make your dream come true.
I will always follow my dream. I will work hard to achieve my dream. I will not let anybody disturb me on the way. Look at today. He is the owner of a brand new building in the heart of São Paulo in Brazil, the mega city of South America. After 11 years of hard work in that city.
Oui, c'est une cage d'ascenseur.
N'est-ce pas? Voilà, tu as vu un peu.
C'est comme une cage d'ascenseur.
Bon, ici là aussi on peut utiliser, mais ça va fermer là.
Oui. Ah, c'est haut, hein?
Voilà. On a fait la canalisation de l'eau. On a fait la canalisation de l'eau.
Dis-moi, pourquoi il y a trop de câbles électriques sur les frigos?
C'est le truc des téléphones. Les fils de téléphone et internet.
Donc, ils
mais tout ça, ça ne fonctionne plus.
Oh.
Oui, la préfecture doit enlever tout ça.
Puisqu'ils ont déjà mis ça au souterrain ou bien alors.
Voilà, c'est au sous-sol, ouais. C'est la fibre optique. Tout ça comme ça va quitter. La préfecture va enlever.
J'aime bien l'endroit.
Parce que ça c'était avant. Quand il n'y avait pas encore la fibre optique, les gens tiraient encore les fils comme au Cameroun là. Pour mettre dans les maisons, les fils de téléphone, tu vois non? Si tu regardes, c'est ça. Voilà, quand tu vois tout ça, ça ne fonctionne plus.
Et le voisinage ici, c'est bien?
C'est un dollar.
Waouh, ça c'est super.
C'est un dollar. Ouais, l'hôpital,
voilà l'hôpital ici.
Ah, la société de bus.
Société de bus.
La société de bus. Dans le petit carrefour, à quelque chose, je suis à un carrefour.
Je rappelle que nous sommes dans un quartier résidentiel du Brésil. Hein? Wow. Wow. So we are actually here in Brazil. Guys, let's go down. We're going to use this step. This is a step going down. We are actually on the 3rd floor. This place is going to be 10th floor. So we are busy on the 3rd floor at the moment. As you can see here. You can see. Beautiful, guys. This is a great job. We have to encourage our diaspora like this. Tell me, guys, you know, wherever you are, you must take the place as your home. This is actually a pure example that you can build your paradise everywhere you go. Everywhere you go, you can build your paradise, guys. This is the paradise of my brother. Look, see the way it's built. This was built by a Cameroonian here in Brazil. Not that he's a technician, it's actually his building, as you can see. This place is a laundry area. We got a step to go upstairs, and we're going to have here the sitting room. And here this is the toilet. Wow, toilet, and this is the room. This is the room, and this is the room. Guy, we are working here, guys. We are working. Let me tell you guys, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel. I'm showing you the success of my brother in Brazil. You can actually do the same thing. Wherever you are living, you can actually do the same thing. Guys, believe on you. I'm going down here to show you more. I want to show you more here. You can see how you look like. Wow. This is a dream come true, guys. Dream come true. Yeah. This is the water. That means you got a meter for water here, just like everywhere you can get a meter here. And this is where the water come out. Good. Oh, okay. Automatic. C'est bon déjà. Guys, my brother told me that the elephant mission of this project was to purchase a land. To have a land here is actually the most difficult part of building. Yeah, I feel thirsty. I need some fresh water or ice cream. Let me check this shop and see what I can have here.
Okay, we got it.
Right, ne? This one is actually for 4 years. It's very hot out there, and then it's very hot, so I need to know me?
Edson.
Etso.
Edson.
Etso. Oh, okay. He's the owner of the shop.
Oui, Pelé. Edson.
Know me? Vinicius. Brazil. Guys, I'm here at the shop, so it was very. Muito, muito. It's very hot here. Very, very hot.
L'histoire c'est trop faible. Si je mets ça en haut, ça brûle. Ça lui perce une fois, ça brûle, ça fond. Tu vois, je mets ça, il diminue, que ça
saoule bien.
Ça saoule bien, ça sent le.
Comme les maçons, les menuisiers, les soudeurs. Voilà, c'est ici.
Voilà, on travaille au chantier.
J'envoie les techniciens pour le répondu. Même comme je répondu pour vous tous.
Bad. This guava. Brazilian guava. This is where my curiosity took me to. I find myself in the kitchen, and then I noticed that there was a beautiful wife of my brother who was busy preparing a good meal for us. Guys, this is a Brazilian soup, and we got on side a spaghetti. We're going to eat this spaghetti with a special Brazilian soup. Cooking
by a Brazilian woman. See the way she's making it, and see how this woman is beautiful. Yes, she is. If you notice that she's not, why don't you send me a comment below? And then if you know that she is, just say, she's so beautiful. This is my plate. I'm going to eat it. I'm going to eat it, guys. Please wish me a good appetite. Wish me good appetite. I love it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Let's be a family, guys. That was São Paulo in Brazil.